We're at the Charcon flooring site in Bedlington, Northumberland. We produce concrete floor beams, pre-stressed floor beams for the housing building trade. Part of the manufacturing process is cutting the wires in the floor beams, and we used to have to use a still saw to do this. A guy would have to be stood on top of the beam so he was working at height. You would have the hand and arm vibration issue, dust and noise, and mechanical backstrain because he would be bent over while he was actually cutting the wires. We decided to come up with the idea of using a plasma cutter so the guys could work from ground level. It also does away with the dust and noise and hand and arm vibration. We originally came up with a trolley that worked at ground level, but it was hard to transport. There was trailing wires which created slips, trips and falls, and it just wasn't adequate for the job. And that's why we came up with the new plasma trolley to run on top of the beams. The trolley's used by, obviously the plasma cutters are fixed on the trolley. There's no trailing cables or wires like what there used to be. It's easy to pull along for the operatives, so they're not forcing it along or struggling with it. And keeps basically everything tidy and in one place.
There's 4 dedicated lads within the factory that does the plasma cutting. I'm one of them 4. Since the plasma's come into production, I'm a lot happier using the plasma than I was getting on top of the mould using a still saw. Over the moon with it.
Since we've introduced the plasma trolley, we've reduced a lot of health and safety issues, including operatives working at height on top of the bed, hand-arm vibration, slips, trips and falls, dust and noise, and mechanical backstrain as well.